Hello and welcome again. What is technology? I bet everyone you ask for will give you a different definition, depending on the things he or she uses. I'm sure your mother will tell you that technology makes your life more manageable because of all the devices invented. Your little brother will say that technology means high-end computers and highly detailed games. You will probably say it is your cell phone. I will say that technology is semi-cooked food. It was perhaps the best invention of all time. But it's just me. So, we established how mortals see technology. But wouldn't it be fascinating to see what it is? Well, it deals with how the customs of a species and the knowledge of instruments aim to make life easier, and how it affects their ability to adapt to the environment. This is a general definition. We humans see this as a result of the interaction of different sciences and engineering. Technology is one of those terms that cannot be defined. That means everything from the main course to a way of organizing a factory. It can refer to practically everything because all the things around us were, at a particular moment, technological failures. Technology is all the merchandise that surrounds us, allowing us to interact on a global scale. Imagine that. With just one click, you can see your friend on the other side of the world in real time. It is not enough to talk to her, but to see what she does and how she reacts. But technology has also brought a great curse. We just invent good things. Many destructive devices do not facilitate our existence, but only complicate or end it. Overall, it is the technology that makes the world go around every day. Magic or the laws of nature do this. The technique is everything else, all the things that cannot be attributed to magic. And that represents 99% of the things you use in life. So, long life technology. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.